In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download files from Dropbox in just a few simple steps. Dropbox is a popular cloud storage service that allows users to store and share files securely. Whether you're using it for work, school, or personal use, knowing how to download files effectively is essential. So, let's get started. First, you will need to navigate to your Dropbox homepage. Simply open your web browser and log into your Dropbox account if you haven't already. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the homepage where you can view a summary of your files and recent activities. Now, to begin the file downloading process, look for the All Files tab, usually located on the left side of your interface. Clicking on this tab will provide you with a comprehensive list of all your files and folders stored in Dropbox. When you land on the All Files page, you'll be able to see every file you have stored. This view makes it easy to locate the specific file or folder you wish to download. Take a moment to browse through this list to ensure you find the correct file. A handy tip here is to use the search bar if you're dealing with many files, as it can help you quickly locate what you need. After you've found the file or folder to download, look for a small icon with 3 dots next to it. This is typically referred to as the More Options menu. Clicking on these 3 dots will reveal a drop-down menu with various actions you can take. Our main focus here is downloading, although there are other useful features such as sharing and moving files around if you ever need them. From this menu, you'll see an option that says Download. Click on Download, and your browser will immediately start fetching the file from Dropbox. You might get a prompt asking where you'd like to save it, or it could automatically download to your default Downloads folder, depending on your browser's settings. If you have a specific location in mind, ensure your settings are adjusted accordingly for convenience. Once the download process begins, it might take a few seconds to several minutes, depending on the file size and your internet speed. Once completed, navigate to the folder where your browser saves downloads, and you should see your file there, ready for you to open and use. It's really that straightforward. By following these steps, you can quickly and easily download any file you need from Dropbox whenever you need it. This process is simple and enables you to keep your important documents, pictures, and other digital items accessible right on your device. Happy downloading, and feel free to explore more Dropbox features for organizing and sharing your files effectively.